it's your old pal Melissa Joy, and my friends over at Drops sent me a new box. This is not sponsored, but this is a gift. Let's see what new products they have. Alright, we have trying to figure out what it is. Oh, we have scrub brushes. We have a foaming hand soap. Lots of nice brown paper, which we can recycle or reuse for patterning. Comes with a nice glass bottle, squishy thing, and I guess this is the stuff. We also have a power dish spray. Directions, paper, comes the glass bottle. That. Oh, okay, yeah, so you can spray your dishes. Don't know what that is. Oh, it's the funnel. They sent you a funnel. How nice. This is the soap in a glass bottle. I'm not sure what these are, but I'll read the directions and find out. Last but not least is this revitalizing mist. It's for when you get sweaty to help you cool down. My pal Jonathan, who is the owner of Drops, came to see our show, and I mentioned that I have a change where I change somebody who's sweaty. So he sent these over. Maybe another time I'll do a video and show you how they work out. But I have to talk to the person I do the change with. Anyhow, thank you so much, Drops, for my new gifts.